This Porsche is not assembled like ordinary machines. It is engineered, measured, and perfected down to the smallest detail. Every surface, every component, every sound is carefully designed. Inside this factory, precision meets passion. What you're about to see is not just how a Porsche is built, it's why perfection takes time. This is where everything begins. Not in a showroom, not on the road, inside a highly controlled Porsche factory. This place is not just a building, it is a system built on precision, discipline, and experience. Every section has a clear purpose. Every worker follows exact standards. Nothing here is random. From raw materials to engineered components, everything enters this factory with one goal: perfection. This is where Porsche's seriousness is created. Before speed, before luxury, before performance. This is the origin.
This is not mass production. This is hand-built precision. Each body panel is shaped, aligned, and inspected by experts. Robots assist with accuracy, but human hands make the final decisions. Millimeters matter here. Every curve is checked, every gap is perfected. Once the body is complete, the Porsche moves into the paint process. Paint is not applied once, it is layered, again and again. Each layer adds depth, each layer adds protection, each layer adds character. Gloss is carefully controlled, reflections are inspected under special lighting. Even the smallest imperfection is corrected. This is not just color, this is craftsmanship you can see. Luxury begins on the surface, but perfection is built underneath.
This is the true heart of the machine, the engine. It is not built on a fast-moving assembly line. It is assembled with focus, patience, and absolute precision. Every engine begins as individual components: pistons, crankshafts, valves, connecting rods, bearings. Each part is engineered to microscopic tolerances, measured in fractions of a millimeter. Before assembly even begins, every single component is inspected, measured, and tested under strict conditions. If a part does not meet exact standards, it is rejected immediately. There is no compromise, no adjustment for imperfection. Perfection is not optional, it is required. The assembly process is calm and controlled. There is no rush, no shortcuts, no distractions. Technicians work methodically, following precise sequences refined through years of engineering, testing, and real-world performance data. Torque values are exact. Every bolt is tightened to a specific specification, verified digitally, then checked again manually. Nothing is assumed. Nothing is left to chance. This Porsche engine is not just powerful, it is balanced. Balance is what creates smooth acceleration. Balance is what allows extreme performance without sacrificing reliability, durability, or long-term confidence. As the engine comes together, it is continuously checked. Clearances are verified. Alignments are rechecked. Critical tolerances are confirmed again and again. Because power alone means nothing without control. Once assembled, this engine represents far more than numbers on a chart. Horsepower is not just speed, it is response. It is precision. It is how instantly the Porsche reacts to the driver's intent. When the engine starts for the first time, it is not a test of noise, it is a test of perfection, smoothness, consistency, confidence. This engine is designed to perform at the limit, not once, but repeatedly, under pressure, under heat, under real conditions, not just on paper, not just in a laboratory, but on the road. This is not just engineering, this is precision power.
This is where the machine becomes personal. The interior. Every surface you touch is designed to be felt, not just seen.
The leather is carefully selected, inspected by hand for texture, grain, and consistency. Only flawless hides are approved. Each piece is cut, shaped, and stitched with precision, often taking hours to complete a single section. Stitching is not decoration here, it is craftsmanship. Every line is straight, every seam is intentional, nothing is rushed. The dashboard is assembled with the same attention. Materials are layered perfectly. Controls are positioned for instinctive use, so the driver never has to think, only feel. The steering wheel becomes the connection point, wrapped by hand, balanced for comfort and control, designed to communicate the road directly to the driver. This is not mass production, it is human skill refined over decades, hands guiding materials, eyes checking every detail. Because luxury is not about excess, it is about care, it is about precision, and it is about creating a space where the driver feels completely connected to the Porsche. This is craftsmanship you don't just see, you experience it.
This is the moment everything comes together. Final assembly. The engine meets the body for the first time. Power and structure become one. The powertrain is lowered carefully into place. Every mount aligns perfectly. Every connection is secured with precision. Wiring is connected. Systems come online. The Porsche begins to respond. Then the wheels go on. For the first time, the Porsche stands on its own. Panels are aligned. Doors close with a solid, confident sound. The stance is checked. The balance is verified. What was once separate parts now has identity, presence, purpose. This is not just assembly. This is transformation. The Porsche is no longer being built. It is alive, ready for the road.
This is the final stage, testing and perfection. Before delivery, every system is checked, not visually, digitally. Advanced diagnostics scan the entire Porsche, engine data, electronics, sensors, software. Everything must respond exactly as programmed. Software systems are calibrated. Throttle response, steering feel, suspension behavior. Each adjustment is fine-tuned to match Porsche's driving character. Then come the quality checks. Panel alignment is measured. Gaps are inspected. Finishes are examined under special lighting. Every sound is evaluated. Every vibration is monitored. If something feels even slightly off, the Porsche goes back. No exceptions. Only when every system works together as one complete machine is the Porsche approved. This is not testing for function. This is testing for perfection, because the Porsche is not finished until it is flawless. The journey ends quietly, but the impression stays long after. This is more than just a Porsche. It is precision shaped by human skill. Engineering refined through patience. Luxury built with purpose, not noise. Every detail has meaning. Every decision has intent. If craftsmanship matters to you, if you value machines built the right way, this story was made for you. Stay connected. More stories like this are coming.